Now today we're going to be reviewing and unboxing an air cleaner base. Now I know what you're thinking, it's just an air cleaner base. It's not entirely true. So, ordered some air cleaner bases from Speedway Motors. No, I'm not sponsored. But if they would, I wouldn't object. Now, this is by far an easy way to get more air to your carburetor or throttle body. It's just simple. It's an old school theory of velocity stacks. It's a mini velocity stack that's set up with a 14-inch air cleaner base. I ran one years ago in my daily. I absolutely loved it. When I went to go buy another one, that company I bought them from no longer had them. Luckily, just recently I found Speedway Motors had them, so I had to order them. So, let's take a look at it. Alright, so, boxed with care by Brian. Let's see how well Brian boxed this. Pretty good. I got two of them. So, what I'm going to do is take off the one I have on here now, which is a raised base. A couple things I'm going to do. Compare them, as well as check for filter fitment. Alright, so here we go. Looking at the two side by side, it's a noticeable height difference. This, via their website, is 1.60 inches. Okay, and this is why it is called a mini velocity stack. It's not a lot of velocity stack, but still enough. I think they claim up to, around an average of 5 horsepower, which this is a good improvement for airflow. And of course, if you stack those with air cleaner spacers, you actually still have a decent height velocity stack, which I actually have an air cleaner spacer on this truck already, so it's going to be raised enough. Now, this spun aluminum, much lighter weight than your standard air cleaner base, and there is a very insignificant hump here, especially when compared to that one and other drop bases. Now, as far as the filter, that fits in there with ease. It's not an extreme tight fit, and it's not an extreme loose fit. It's a very nice fit for the filter. So, if you ever bought an air cleaner base or an air cleaner lid and have to squeeze the filter, with this filter right here, that fit right in there real easy. Now, let's move the air cleaner spacer. That fits around there just right, clears everything, which it's obviously raised, so it's going to clear anyway, but fits around there just right. Spacer, it fits around that spacer nice and evenly. Alright, so what we have here is a little pricey for an air cleaner base, but it's spun aluminum. It's going to last a long time. Extremely lightweight. And as we can tell, fit real good. Air filter fit. What's not to like so far? Well, we also get the velocity effect from this. So, smoother, straighter airflow straight down the carburetor or throttle body. Plus, if you're running just a single carburetor, which in most cases that's what you would for the 14-inch air filter, you get to keep that instead of running like on a lot of other velocity stacks with the smaller 6 and whatever inch and the 9-inch. When you ran out of the other options and you want to squeeze a little bit more of that engine, get a little bit more airflow, well, here's another option. I like this option. Always been a good option to me. Always liked the velocity stacks. Never liked the small air filters, so I get to run the 14-inch air filter and have a velocity stack. So it's a win-win for me. And just for the simple fact that it's something easy to throw on and get a little bit more air to the engine, well, you can't beat that either. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks for watching.